Never place the mother-in-law's tongue plant in certain areas of your home, as I'll reveal in today's video. Why? Because doing so could bring misfortune and poverty to your household. The mother-in-law's tongue, also known as the snake plant, has numerous benefits. It's a wonderful plant that many people keep due to its easy care, making it perfect for beginners. This plant offers protection, luck, wealth, and abundance in our lives. However, where you place it in your home truly matters. Believe it or not, putting it in the wrong spot can turn its good energy into bad, leading to bad luck, misunderstandings, and even family drama. Definitely things we want to avoid. So, get comfortable, because I'm about to reveal the areas where you should never put this plant. I'll also share the best places to position it for the prosperity and happiness we all desire. Let's start with where you should avoid placing this plant. First up, the living room. While it might seem like a great idea to keep this low-maintenance plant in the heart of your home, Feng Shui suggests otherwise. The living room often contains a lot of wooden furniture, which clashes with the energy of the mother-in-law's tongue. This energetic mismatch can disrupt the flow of positive energy, leading to stagnation in your home. And when energy gets stuck, so does your life, resulting in potential money problems, relationship troubles, or even health issues. Even though it looks appealing, it's better to keep this plant out of the living room to maintain positive energy flow. Next, avoid placing the plant in the bathroom. Although bathrooms are seen as places of renewal thanks to the flow of water, the dampness here can be overwhelming for the mother-in-law's tongue. A plant struggling to thrive in a damp environment can negatively impact the energy in your home, preventing growth and good vibes. It's important to be mindful of how these subtle energy shifts can affect your overall well-being. Lastly, keep this plant out of your office or workspace, whether you work from home or in a traditional office. While it's true that plants can improve air quality and create a pleasant environment, not every plant is suitable for a workspace. According to Feng Shui, the mother-in-law's tongue can interfere with the flow of energy in areas where you need creativity and focus. Imagine preparing for an important presentation, but feeling like the energy in the room is heavy and blocked. This might not be solely due to the plant, but why risk it? For your workspace, choose plants that boost productivity and enhance your creative energy rather than disrupt it. While the mother-in-law's tongue can shield us from negative energy, envy, jealousy, and bad vibes, its placement is crucial to unlocking its full potential. When placed in the wrong spot, you might miss out on all its benefits. So, where should you put this plant? The front door is the perfect place. In Feng Shui, the entrance to your home controls the energy flow inside, and placing a mother-in-law's tongue here acts as a protective shield. It helps block out negative vibes from people or places, making your home feel more peaceful and welcoming. Imagine coming home after a stressful day and feeling a wave of calm as you step inside. This plant cleanses the negative energy and restores balance, ensuring that your home remains a sanctuary of peace and positivity. This plant also protects your home from negative energy brought by visitors. Whether it's a critical friend or a nosy neighbor, the mother-in-law's tongue will help neutralize their bad vibes, keeping your space serene. Caring for this special plant is easy. It only needs a little water once or twice a month and some sunlight. By looking after it, you're not just keeping it healthy, but also ensuring it continues to bring good energy into your home. This plant is like a silent guardian, protecting your space and boosting your well-being. As we reflect on the importance of this plant, let's also appreciate its many names: mother-in-law's tongue, snake plant, or St. George's sword. Which name resonates with you? share your thoughts, and let's continue learning together. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Your support means a lot.